Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're diving into a cool concept in number theory, Hamming numbers. These are numbers that only have 2, 3 and 5 as their prime factors. We'll build a JavaScript function that generates the first 20 Hamming numbers. This exercise is perfect for brushing up on prime factorization, looping logic, and array manipulation. Let's see how this works and how we can identify these special numbers programmatically. So what exactly are Hamming numbers? They are positive integers whose only prime divisors are 2, 3, or 5. That means numbers like 7, 11, or 13 do not make the cut. They contain other prime factors. We want to generate the first 20 numbers that pass this filter, starting from 1. Let's check out the code that makes this happen. We start with a Hamming function that builds the list of valid numbers one by one. It begins at 1, then checks each next number using a helper called isHamming number. This helper reduces the number by dividing it by 5, then 3, then 2 repeatedly. If the final result is 1, it means the number only had 2's, 3's, or 5's as factors. If anything else remains, we skip it. We keep going until we collect 20 valid numbers. The logic is really clean. We start with just the number 1, which is considered a Hamming number by definition. Then, for every new candidate number, we run it through our checker. If it can be broken down to 1 using only 2's, 3's and 5's, it is accepted. Otherwise, it is skipped, and we test the next number. We continue until we reach 20 valid Hamming numbers. Here are some quick examples. 7 fails because it is a prime outside of 2, 3 or 5. But 8 is fine. It's just 2 times 2 times 2. 9 is also accepted since it's 3 times 3. This table helps us see why each number makes it into our list, or doesn't. Hamming numbers might seem like a niche concept, but they actually pop up in signal processing and computer graphics. They're used where smooth uniform grids or data structures are needed. They also make a great logic puzzle for interviews, coding contests. Knowing how to generate them is a valuable skill in any developer's toolkit. So there you have it. We have created a flexible function that builds the first 20 Hamming numbers. Those special numbers made from just 2's, 3's and 5's. It is a great way to practice prime factor checking while also producing something mathematically interesting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.